Now there are few sums based upon factor and remainder theorem which normally we get in a paper. Question number 1 is find the value of a if x minus a is factor of x cubed minus ax squared plus x plus 2. X minus a is factor of polynomial. From here x is equal to a, so pa is equal to 0 because it is a factor. So it will be pa is equal to a raised to the power 3 minus a into a raised to the power 2 plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. A cube minus a cube plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. Cancel. A is equal to minus 2. Second sum. Second sum is given that x plus 2 and x plus 3 are factors of 2x cube plus ax square plus 7x minus b. Hence, find the value of a and b. So it's very simple. X plus 2 is factor of px. From here x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So p minus 2, 2 into minus 2 raised to the power 3 plus a into minus 2 raised to the power 2 plus 7 into minus 2 minus b is equal to 0 because this is a factor. This is 8 minus 16 plus 4a minus 14 minus b is equal to 0. 4a minus b is equal to 30. This is first equation. Now second equation is x plus 3 is factor of px. So that means x is equal to minus 3. When we put minus 3 it should be equal to 0. So equation was p3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 raised to the power 3 plus a into minus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 7 into minus 3 minus b again equal to 0. So minus 54 plus 9a minus 21 minus b is equal to 0. 9a minus b is equal to 75. Now we have two equations. 4a minus b is equal to 30. 9a minus b is equal to 75. We can eliminate or we can do by any method. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This is cancel. Minus 5a is equal to minus 40, 45. So a is equal to 5. This is our first answer. So 4a minus b is equal to 30. Substituting a is equal to 5. 4 into 5 minus b is equal to 30. Sorry, 9. A is equal to 9. 9. So 36 minus b is equal to 30. B is equal to 6. So this is our second answer. So any sum you get of this kind you can do it. Let's do one more sum. X plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 6. Find the value of a and b. So x plus 1 is factor of px. From here x is equal to minus 1, p minus 1 is equal to 0. P minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3, a into minus 1 raised to the power 2, b into minus 1 minus 6 equal to 0, because it is a factor. Suppose it is it has some remainder. So in place of a 0, then we'll write whatever remainder is given to us. Minus 1 plus a plus b minus 6 is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 7. This is first equation. Second is x minus 2 is factor of px. Therefore x is equal to 2. P2 is also equal to 0. P2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 plus a into 2 raised to the power 2 minus b into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is 8 plus 4a minus 2b minus 6 is equal to 0. 4a minus 2b is equal to minus 2. That means 2a minus b is equal to minus 1. And a plus b is equal to 7. Cancel. 3a is equal to 6, a is equal to 2. This is first answer. We can find the second answer here only. A plus b is equal to 7. So 2 plus b is equal to 7, b is equal to 5. That is our second answer. So this is the way you have to do the sum. This was the last day of this topic, but this topic is also over. Thank you.